Valentine's Day is a very special day to many, but it can also cause some movement in certain company stock prices. With Valentine's Day around the corner, let's look at 3 stocks that may be worth having a look at. Hershey's. You can never go wrong with a box of chocolates at any time of the year, but especially on Valentine's Day. So chocolate makers may well be licking their lips at their likely sales figures. Hershey doesn't just make chocolate, although the chocolate makes it both well known and well loved. However, that's not even close to where it stops. Hershey has an impressive reach spanning across many iconic brands. The company's vast portfolio includes sweets and food items like Reese's Pieces and Twizzlers, just to name a few. Their stock price stands at $195.45 after a slight increase in the month leading up to Valentine's Day. Match Group Incorporated. It owns and operates the largest global portfolio of popular online dating services including Tinder, Hinge, Match.com, which are among the top 10 dating sites in the world according to App Annie. Jig Talk reported a 122% uplift in singles signing up for the dating app during the weekend leading up to Valentine's Day. Their share price currently stands at $35.42, and with many dating apps being set up for this Wednesday, you can bet these sites will be busy. Signet Jewelers. Signet is the premier play on jewelry stores in the United States. The company owns the Kay and Jared brands that together operate over 1,300 stores in the United States. Signet also operates stores under the H. Samuel and Ernest Jones in the United Kingdom, where it has over 500 stores. Signet is well positioned to take the advantage of Valentine's Day with products ranging from rings, bracelets, and necklaces and many more. Their stock price currently sits at around $105 after seeing a 10% increase in the past month. Are there any more companies you can think of who will see an impact in their stock price this week? Comment them down below. Whatever you're investing in or whatever you're doing on Valentine's Day, have fun and make sure you subscribe for the latest on trading and investing.